Hi y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you'll stick around for a while. So what I have for you today is an Ollie's haul, just a little haul. We went to Ollie's this weekend and I checked the crafting section. And I was like, okay, let me get some of these because they were very well priced. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna start. So this one is a cross stitch kit. And it says moon and mushrooms, and it makes one stitch design, and it says contents listed on the back, so we'll go ahead and go around. It's got regular price at other stores $9.99, their price $1.99. I thought for $1.99, that's, I think it's pretty good. So the contents, it's got the canvas, it's got the floss. It actually comes with a 6-inch bamboo hook, the needle, and the instructions. So it has everything that you need. So we've got that. Then I got needlepoint. So cross stitch, I cross stitch. So that's good. Needlepoint, I've never not done needlepoint. And so it says it makes one wall hanging. Regular price $13, their price $3. Midnight moths. So that's what that is. And so you've got 8 different yarn colors, the canvas, printed canvas. So I guess maybe the design is on the canvas and then you needlepoint. I've never done it, so I don't know. But if you're interested, I'm sure I will probably record myself doing a video or do it during a live, so you can come along, keep an eye out for that. It comes with the needle, 7-inch wooden dowel, and instructions. So there's that. So I thought for $3, do I like it? Am I gonna like it? And then a weaving kit. Again, something that I haven't done. It looks simple enough to me. But let's see, makes one weaving. That's what it's gonna look like. It's just got blue tone. And again, big savings. So for this, $3. 3 yarn colors, embroidery floss. I guess maybe for that. Anyway, I don't know. Plastic yarn needle, bamboo hoop, an 8-inch bamboo, and instructions. So there is that. And punch needle. And I thought, well, this is pretty. I like this. I've never done this. So I'm interested in doing it. I've wanted to try it. I've seen it done before. So again, big savings. Regular price $15, this price $3. And it comes with everything you need. So it's got 7 different yarn colors, printed fabric, the punch needle tool, plastic yarn needle, 8-inch plastic hoop, and instructions. So this one comes with a plastic hook. This one was a bamboo hook. And I believe this one was a bamboo hook as well. Yeah. So cross stitch I have done. It's the only one out of these 4 crafts that I've done. So, but I thought I really like that picture. It's just a landscape picture, but y'all know I like nature. So I really like this one. So we will be trying those either on video or live. Then there was this one. So it's got regular, this is a diamond dots. It's got regular price $15, their price $5. And of course, nature, animals. So it's called Wild Sky. It says it's an intermediate. Just got 3 new dotting tools. So it's got that, Says it's a special edition. I'm not sure. The size on this one is, the design size is 72 by 28.5 centimeters or 28.3 by 11.2 inches. The fabric size is a little bit bigger than that. And then, of course, it's got the instructions. And so the kit says, let's see the contents, since I went over the contents with everything else. Your canvas, it comes with a stylus, a tray, wax. It does have the comfort grip, one push tool, so I guess the straightener, 2-piece multi-dots head, 6 and 3. So it's got the multi-placer, a 6 and a 3. And the instructions, I might have missed something, but for $5, absolutely. Okay, so there's that. And then I know I don't do Cricut on the channel. I may have done something simple, but I don't even remember. But Smart Vinyl, this is the vinyl that does not require the mat. And so this is 13 inches by 12 foot. So it's pretty good. And normal price, $33. Their price, $7. I would have gotten more, but so I got it in the purple and I got it in the silver. Same price, same dimensions and everything. And it does go with my machine because it's got the machines right here that it works compatible with. And so I do have that machine. But I don't know if the phone is, or if the camera is picking it up, but it is, like, it's got shimmer. Yeah, you can see it on there. So they both do. So I was very pleased with these because I will use them. And I mean, come on, such a small fraction of their actual cost. So anyway, so that was my, of course we got other things, but there as well, which were very well priced. But this is just what I got for crafting. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. Till I see you again, have a wonderful and blessed day.